Today I'm sharing the 6 invaluable lessons about money I wish I had known in my 20s. Stay tuned until the end, because here, I'm revealing the ultimate bonus lesson. Lesson 1. Invest early and regularly. The power of early and regular investments is nothing short of extraordinary. When you start early and invest consistently, you're leveraging the incredible force of compound interest. This means that your money not only earns interest, but also earns interest on the interest. It's like a snowball effect for your wealth. Over time, your small, consistent investments can grow into substantial wealth. Picture this scenario. You're 24 years old right now, and you decide to be a financial maestro. You start investing $2,000 every year in the S&P 500 index, a historical star performer that typically serves up an average annual return of 9.9%. Fast forward 20 years, and what do you have? A financial windfall of $126,470. Your money has not just grown, it's skyrocketed, all while you've been living your life. Lesson 2. Automate your savings and investments. Automating your financials can be a game changer. It's not always easy to remember to save and invest each month, but when you set up automatic transfers, you're ensuring that your financial goals are being met consistently. This process allows you to turn your financial dreams into reality without having to think about it constantly. The power of automation means you're building wealth even when you're not actively managing it. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking or savings account to your investment account. By doing this, you're not only saving consistently, but you're also investing your money wisely. Lesson 3. Create and stick to a budget. The art of creating and sticking to a budget is a fundamental skill for financial success. Budgeting is not about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about knowing where your money is going and ensuring it aligns with your financial goals. By tracking your income and expenses, you gain control over your financial life. A well-structured budget helps you set meaningful financial goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation or building an emergency fund. And most importantly, it guides you in managing your money effectively to make those goals a reality. Lesson 4. You're not wiser than the crowd. It's essential to recognize that you're not wiser than the crowd when it comes to the financial markets. Trying to outsmart the market or other investors can often lead to costly mistakes. It's about understanding that predicting market movements or timing the market is a challenging endeavor. Instead of trying to beat the crowd, consider the benefits of a long-term, diversified investment strategy. Diversification is like spreading your risk across various investments to avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. It's a strategy that has historically proven to be more effective in building and safeguarding wealth. Here, you can make the most of well-known ETF options like iShares and Vanguard, which follow major indices such as the S&P 500 or the Global Index. ETFs offer a smart investment avenue, providing broad diversification at a modest annual cost. For instance, consider the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, with a low 0.07% expense ratio per year, a cost-effective choice worth considering. So the lesson here is to embrace humility in investing and take the path of wisdom over the chaos of trying to outsmart the crowd. Lesson 5. Have patience with your investments. The hidden superpower of patience, which can redefine your financial journey. It's common to want instant results, but impatience can often lead to costly errors, especially in the world of investments. At the same time, it is expensive to jump back and forth between investments due to trading costs, so make sure to limit this. The key to financial success is understanding that it's a journey that takes time. Markets go through ups and downs, and staying the course even during market downturns is crucial. Patience allows you to avoid making rash decisions driven by fear or greed. The benefits of a buy-and-hold investment strategy are numerous, especially when you take a long-term perspective. Lesson 6. Make smart money choices. Distinguish between necessities and luxuries. Life is full of choices, and it's essential to prioritize what truly matters in your financial journey. Necessities are those fundamental things you need for a comfortable life, like housing, food, and healthcare. Luxuries, on the other hand, are the nice-to-haves, such as dining out frequently, expensive gadgets, or luxury vacations. By understanding the difference between these two, you can make mindful financial decisions that prioritize your needs and help you save money. This process enables you to create a budget that aligns with your financial goals, ensuring that your financial resources are allocated effectively. And now, we come to the most important lesson of them all. Number 7, remember to enjoy life. It's not just about building wealth, it's about finding joy in the journey. Think of it as a reminder to live your best life while securing your financial future. After all, what's the point of financial success if you're not living a life that you love? Life is a gift, and your financial goals should enhance your experience, not limit it. So, embrace the experiences and pleasures that make life meaningful. Take vacations, treat yourself occasionally, and don't hesitate to celebrate your milestones. In the end, financial freedom isn't just a destination, it's a lifestyle that allows you to enjoy life to the fullest. Folks, we're coming to an end. We've uncovered the essential money lessons that can transform your financial future. Whether you're starting in your 20s or well into your career, remember that financial success is within your reach. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable tips from Investor Express. Thanks for watching.